who it is, and they've got the same name as a very famous singer band. Right? So here's your first one. 10 seconds to get this right. Who is this? If you look up Drake, that song is in there. You probably got that if you're a Drake fan because you look him up, all the Drake songs are on there, and then one called also by Drake. Right, next one. With the very same name, someone very famous. What now?
Wheels up, yeah? Right. Get the top off. Let's do that big socket. 13, yeah?
Oh, there, Chris. Other songs.
What else is the 13, yeah? Watch yourself. What are you doing there?
Filming it.
Why?
Well, seeing how fast he can do it in, he said 7 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
So far about 2 minutes.
Another one? Go on then. Who is this?
What?
Italian power metal. Not the name of the band. Oh, we're looking for a group, aren't we?
Who's all the time?
Not necessarily. I'm going to go one direction. Good answer. Other songs by this artist you might include.
We're up to about 3 minutes now. Huh? 3 minutes so far.
A lot of people have that one with a state of life. Very different, isn't it? Very clever.
Nearly, yeah? In under 5 minutes if he gets it.
Plan B are actually two Puerto Rican cousins called Trinco and
Battery gone.
Boosters will also have that song by Plan B that they weren't expecting. What happens if you try and download the new Plan B stuff? Yeah, or if you're like on shuffle and you've got the album on and all of a sudden you're going, hello. Thank you. Right, no points there for you, but let us know, maybe you already have one of those in your collection, that's how you knew. Let me know if
Is it free yet?
I've been searching everywhere and I can't seem to find Molly.
Something's still attached. Something attached to this side, guys. Wiring low. This side.
More exciting. She makes me want to dance. Dance, 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 dance. Please help me find Molly.
Can you light it up the bottle?
Please help me find Molly.
Cade's been on saying that they got the Adele one right because downloaded it by mistake whilst looking for some new Adele stuff and just got the French
Hey.
one. Paid 99p for it too. So well done. At least you got 10 Scott Mills points there. Also, what was the name of that person that cheated? I'm just trying to find your name. Adrian, that's you. He may have done very well on that last game because he used.
Is that it? Remote?
That rhymes with.
My God.
Cheating, and I am officially taking all of the Scott Mills points and confiscating them from you. Sorry.
Good night.
Was a bit fuel? I'm guessing so, yeah.
Gattis, what about fuel? I'll still have fuel in it.
How to remove a full engine in under 8 minutes.
Not too bad, isn't it?